If your Lasko heater shows a blinking red light, it usually means the unit has power, but the heating system has stopped working due to a safety protection or internal issue. This commonly happens when the heater overheats, tips over, or detects a problem with temperature control. Start by unplugging the heater and leaving it disconnected for about 10 to 15 minutes so the internal safety system can fully reset. After plugging it back in, make sure the heater is connected directly to a wall outlet and not an extension cord, as unstable power can trigger protection mode. Next, check for blocked air vents or dust buildup, since restricted airflow often causes overheating and shuts the heater down. Allow the unit to cool for at least 30 minutes if it feels hot, then clean the air intake areas using a vacuum or soft brush. Also confirm the thermostat is set higher than the current room temperature so the heater can start heating properly. If you notice an 88 blinking error, the temperature sensor may be faulty and could require repair or replacement. If the red light keeps blinking after these steps, contacting Lasko support is the safest option.